San Antonio hairstylist, your talent deserves to be shown in the media, on high-end brides, and with celebrities. I'm Monae Everett, and I've had the privilege of styling for talent like Tia Mowry, Yara Shahidi, Emily Tosta, and Nickelodeon starlets. My work has been featured at the Met Gala, Harper's Bazaar, InStyle, Essence, and Modern Salon. I want to help you elevate your career beyond the chair. That's why I'm inviting you to join my hands-on workshop at Premier San Antonio called Master the Art of Versatility. In this class, you'll learn how to slay any hair texture with any product, skills that will set you apart and open doors to high-profile gigs. Imagine being able to confidently handle any hair type and create stunning looks that make a statement. This workshop will give you the hands-on experience and practical techniques to do just that. Register below to join me on September 15th and take the next step in your styling journey. Can't wait to see you there.